In today's class, we will be learning the topic, communal living in the early Christian community. Election of the successor of Judas Iscariot. After Jesus Christ's ascension, about 120 disciples gathered, and Peter addressed the need to replace Judas Iscariot, who had committed suicide. The new apostle had to be someone who witnessed Jesus' resurrection and ascension and could preach and care for the Christian community. Two candidates, Barnabas and Matthias, were proposed. After praying, they cast lots, and Matthias was chosen. He joined the 11 apostles. After Peter's speech on Pentecost, about 3,000 men converted, forming the first Christian community that lived communally, sharing meals and resources. Problems of the early Christian community and solutions. The early church faced issues like dishonesty and discrimination. Ananias and Sapphira lied about their donation and died as a result, which shocked the church. Non-Jewish members complained about their widows being neglected in the daily distribution of food. Current social problems facing the church. Women ordination, debates over ordaining women as ministers. Misappropriation of funds, leaders stealing church funds. Power struggles, conflicts over authority within the church. Doctrinal differences, disagreements on church teachings. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.